All right, so you've got two choices to get more customers into your business. Choice number one, you can spend your money, but you're tapped and you can't afford to throw money at it. That's why today we're going over choice number two. Because we're not a multi-million-dollar private equity owned business. We can't just throw $20,000 into ads, but that's fine because there's a much better way. And the big guys, guess what? They can't afford it. Yeah, you heard me right. Because instead of spending money, choice number two, we're going to be spending your time. That's your two choices. It's either time or money. So if you've got the time but you don't have the money, you're going to want to watch this because we're going to show you some ways that you can utilize your time to get more customers into your business. And you'll want to stick around to the end where we're going to show you how we can throw some jet fuel on that fire. So if you're a new business, even if you could go with choice number one, that might not be the best option for you. Because currently, you just don't have the presence or the authority. You have no social proof. When people see your ad, half of them immediately go into research mode. They go check out your business page. Others go to Google, they check out your website or your business profile. Be honest. Would you buy from what you see currently? Well, that's the main issue. No one knows you, no one trusts you, and we need to get that trust built up. For starters, you need to be posting on Facebook daily, and you need to be working at getting more Google reviews into your business. We need future people to feel more at ease using your business. So we need proof that you are worthy. Post daily if you can. It's not about going viral. It's not about gaining followers even. That will come in time. Just continue to post. What this is about, it's about when people look at your business. Do they see an active business? Or do they see a business that posted one time 6 months ago? And now that we're on Facebook, I strongly recommend that if you use a local business, that you take to Facebook and you post about your experience with said local business and you help promote their business. And so it's beneficial to use more local businesses for all your business needs because you can just create more and more of these opportunities. So say you get a t-shirt made at the local print shop. You're going to take a picture, you're going to be holding up that branded t-shirt, but you're going to take that picture and you're going to post it to Facebook. And you're going to talk about how awesome the local print shop is and what they have done for your business. You're going to then share that post into local groups. And it's cool because they're not going to get mad at you, right? Now, we still need to walk lightly here, but you're not advertising your business. You're actually promoting another business. So it's a selfless service. And people see that. Not only are you going to get the other business out in the light more, but people are going to see that you're a member of the community. People are going to see that you actually care about the community, that you're actually trying to help the community, and you didn't ask for anything in return. You're just literally shedding a light on another quality local business. Guess what that's going to do? Well, multifold. Guess for one, you just shared directly from your Facebook profile to a Facebook group. And now there's an avenue where they can just click right into your business. And now they're sitting over there on your business page. And it was because you're promoted a different business. And since you listened to the last thing that I told you, you've been posting daily on Facebook. Now they're going to stay there and they're going to start scrolling down your post on Facebook to see what's going on. The fact that you've posted daily or the fact that you've attempted to post daily shows. And you basically might gain a new follower just from that. Even if you don't gain a new follower though, now they've heard your name. Whether they ever use your service or not, you've already got the first time they heard your name and it's in their head. We just need to tell them your name a few more times and it's going to be a customer. That's how this stuff works. You have to continually have your business in front of people before they'll finally ever book a call with you. But this is multifold, because guess what? That print shop that you went over there and you showed your branded t-shirt, your branded whatever, you showed it to the world that the print shop down the road made it. Guess what happens now? What are the odds that if that print shop person, whether it be on their home or on their business, what are the odds that they end up needing your services? And what are the odds that they would call somebody else? I mean, the odds are pretty good that you're going to get the call because you've built up such good grace. Like, they feel like they owe you. Even if they never call, guess what? If somebody they know happens to need your services, who do you think is top of mind? Who do you think they're going to think of? Probably that guy that was promoting their business without asking for anything in return. We're going to take that one more step further. Guess what happens when you go over there and run that service call? What are the odds that they maybe feel like they still owe you? What are the odds that they go in that same Facebook group, that same local group filled with your potential customers? What if they went over there and happened to be like, this person's freaking awesome. If you guys happen to need his services, give him a call because I stand behind it 100% myself. And I am another local business in your community. And so you can trust it. And just like this, you've not only developed possibly a friendship with another business owner, not only have you gained a ton of referral traffic just because you needed a freaking shirt printed anyway, but you have also added to your social proof. Now they post that and you can share that to your business profile. So it's like a reciprocal thing. And we throw in a few more businesses. You go need an electrician, you need a plumber for something, and you don't offer that service yourself, give them a shout. Let's keep this thing rolling. No matter what they tell you, it's not a dog-eat-dog world out here. If we work together, what we can achieve can be truly amazing. We're not talking about competitors. We're literally talking about other business owners who do a different service than what you offer, and you guys can complement each other, okay? They're going to promote you, you promote them, and everybody just has a great time. But if you want to take this to the next level, one of my highest recommendations is you join your local chamber of commerce. This affords you the opportunity to be in a room filled with the men and women who happen to run your area. The connections that can be made here can completely alter the trajectory of your business. Now, we can totally hit the easy button if you have the money. But most of us, we're out here bootstrapping this whole thing. We've got to find ways to get shit done without spending a lot of money. Put in the time now, and you can beat all these guys later. Come back next week when we're going to dive further into your local chamber of commerce, and we're going to show you some ways that you can really capitalize on everything that your local chamber of commerce has to offer. We'll be here again next Saturday, 9 a.m. Central, right here on YouTube, just like always. We'll see you there.